Hello guys, Natalie here, aka Peaches, and today I will be doing a giveaway. Um, I'll be giving away a boy hair. I will show you guys the boy hair. So, alright. Hold on. So I will show you guys the boy hair. So the instructions will be in the description box below, so you guys can check this out after the video or while I'm talking and stuff. Whatever you guys want. Here's the boy hair. I'm giving it away to a girl. There's the boy hair. I'm giving it away to a girl. So the instructions are hefty easy, but the two things are you have to be on UK. Second thing is you must be my friend. So send me a friend request. But if you want the hair. So I don't want to bother bore you guys or anything. So I'm not gonna stop the video right now. But we're just gonna look at photos right now. So yeah. Let's go to the top. I saw this the other day. And look. And it says vote now. Then it says Donald rules 4788. And then it says become rich and build Trump towers. And there's like money. And then this girl said if he owned MSP he would only get a small loan of $1 million. Well, no, wait, what? Oh yeah, okay. Girlfriend. Yes, Rihanna is bae. Not a family. Why? Thank you, I know she is. Okay, so we have time for